Have you heard about the latest Forex trading sensation that's taken the market by storm? It's all about scalping, and we're about to break down the 5-minute strategy that's been working wonders for traders worldwide. Scalping is a high-frequency trading approach that involves making multiple small trades throughout the day to capitalize on minor price movements. The goal is to make a profit from these tiny gains, rather than relying on larger, more unpredictable price swings. In the Forex market, scalping can be particularly lucrative due to the high liquidity and narrow spreads. So, what sets this 5-minute strategy apart from others? For starters, it's based on a simple yet effective combination of indicators: the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. By using these two tools in tandem, traders can identify overbought and oversold conditions, as well as potential trend reversals. Here's how the strategy works. Traders set their RSI to 14 periods, with a threshold